Okay, next I will address the cable stops. I have only one of these, and this would fit in here, no problem. So I'm going to use this here up front, and up here, actually where do I want it more precise? Yeah, I can get to this easier. So my first thing to do will be this, protecting the frame a little bit. And some more. And then I will file that. If I could get this out of the handle, that would be good, but it doesn't come. So let's do some filing. Not too worried about the plastic scraping along the frame. That obviously is a thing. There is a thing here. Come on, tape. Don't be so stubborn. Obviously, rubber gloves, helpful. Not. So, bottom, top, left. Let's see. It's almost. I have no more paint in there, so that's correct. Maybe I'll just get rid of the paint. Maybe that'll help it. Looking nice. I'll put a little bit of grease when I assemble, and that will help this. So we're done with this tool, and let's see whether we can enter. Almost. Okay, a little bit of cleanup. One file, one tape, one hair scissors. T. We get another pair of hands. Now I already need 4 hands to hold this. And this is obviously very, very delicate. So I'm just, all I want this to be done is to be held. To make sure you see what I'm doing. You cannot. Okay. Now you can. I'm filing this down a bit, just a touch. This is really just a hair. As Jaden would say, just a hairless. Just the hair. So we'll just do a chain lino hair. And then we check again. And I'm guessing that I could even like force it in now. But I don't really want to do that. Not yet. It's okay for me to be in there tight. And this all is a matter of balancing the pressure. I don't want to make the part too weak, I don't want to squeeze it too hard so it doesn't break. I'm actually, if anything, making it a little bit conical. Turn it a touch. Let it go. Turn. Hold. Sorry, I need to see what I'm doing. I know you want to see it too. That should be that. Let's see whether it goes in. And so it does. Brilliant. Okay. Now I will actually show you about the chain line. And with that, I shall move the cardboard to the front edge, like so. I will then also move the bicycle. Okay. The right wheel. Unplug the charger and hopefully you can stand in peace and get a good view here. There you go. So I have added a total of 3 millimeters to the width of the axis. We can manage that like so. Okay, that's no problem. You can see when it's all dead stop. Tire is not touching. I think you can see that. Can you? Here, it's touching. I should film this from the other side, and I will do so. For the time being, I'm just going to loosely Yes. I will obviously bolt this wheel down. I will have to redish it so it's centered, but I think you get a glimpse that my chain line has definitely improved. And I will film this next shot from the other side where I have daylight behind me, and then you have better lighting. So much for now. See you later.